So the first thing I started doing was removing all of my furniture, bits and pieces, shelves, that kind of thing, all out of the bathroom. Shelf was especially annoying for me because it just looked so cluttered. There was so much stuff on it and it didn't have a door, so everything was on show, and I just hated that. So once all the furniture was out, I began painting. I'm using a paint that I bought also from B&M. It's called Botanical Pearl. To be honest, when I bought it, I thought it was like a pearly white colour, but when I started applying it to the wall, it was more of like a greeny grey. However, it still looked nice, so I just carried on anyway. Okay, so once I finished the painting, I then started the flooring. So it's just a peel and stick marble effect floor sticker that I'm using. I'm going to be honest, it wasn't very sticky, so I did eventually go back and the ones that didn't stick down properly, I sprayed with an adhesive spray that I bought from Poundland for £1. It just made it more sticky. I think it's specifically for flooring and carpets and vinyl and things like that. So once I had sprayed that on, it was a lot better. I didn't get to record myself doing the full floor because I didn't realise that the camera wasn't on. So once I finished the flooring, I then started to apply the contact paper onto this piece of wood that just sticks out behind the pedestal. I think it's covering up pipes or something. I'm not sure, but it looked awful. So yeah, I'm just covering it with the marble contact paper. I used the applicator kit, the DC Fix applicator kit, which was $2.99 also at B&M, but it just makes it so much easier, and it also comes with a little knife as well, so that you can cut around the edges afterwards. A quick tip as well, if you're working with a surface that is not very even like I was today. It had a lot of dents and holes in and things. If you use a contact paper with a lot of patterns on, it actually isn't very noticeable than if you use like a plain colour. So here is the finished bathroom. So I'll take you on a quick tour. Here is the new bathroom cabinet that I put in, which has a door so can cover up things in the bottom, which is just bath toys for the kids and all our body wash and shampoos, whatever, that sort of thing. I've got an empty shelf here. I'm not sure what to put there yet, but I will think of something. And then up here is a basket with towels that I've just rolled up. In the bath, I have a bath tray. I've put a little flower pot there just to make it look pretty. Probably when the girls have baths I will have to remove it because it will just end up in the bath. Here's the new shower curtain that I got. It has a liner as well. I got it from Amazon. The liner was £6.99 and the shower curtain was £11.59. Here's the other cabinet. As well, I got both of the cabinets I bought from Christo.co.uk. It was really cheap. This one was £18 and I've just changed the doorknobs. I've done the same thing here as well. There's the contact paper that I applied, marble effect. A print that I've had this print for absolutely ages, but I just didn't have a place to put it. But now it fits really nicely in the bathroom, so I put it up there. It was from Desenio. And then over here, it's the same shelves that I have. I just covered it in the contact paper as well. And then again, the towel rail I already had. I just spray painted it white. And then my mirror. So I did also forget to mention the tiling by the sink. That was just a sticky self-adhesive tile thing that I got from Amazon. It was £20, so it was a little bit steep, but you got 5 pieces and I only used 1 piece for the area by the sink. But thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my first video. If you enjoyed, please let me know because I'll be sure to be posting a lot more videos if you did enjoy this one.